It's the mango and the tango, my friends. Dan the DIY man is here, and that's what we got going on. Stick around and check this out. Was that fun or what? Uh, it's the mango tango, man. From yeah, from the Adams Family, the best tango in the world. I just put it up there because I thought it was fun. The bottles bursting off at the end. That's how much I like this. Anyways, here it is. Here it is. Okay, love it. First, let's just get it out of the way. I love it. I received this from Inawera for the purpose of this single flavor test. Taste test. And it passes. I actually can taste it. So yeah, love it, you guys. Well, I'll tell you why in a minute. Let me get a hit. Wow. You know the end scene? Champagne bottles popping off? Yeah, that's this mango. Okay, looking on Inavera's site, they say that this is a mango, a guava, and a pineapple. Until they mentioned that, I only tasted mango. So this is actually a standalone flavor, which can be used as a fruit flavor. So with that Cake Emperor, I couldn't do anything with it. It was a standalone, and that was it. And for me, anyways, I dig it. The guava adds some ripeness, and the pineapple adds the tropical aspect of it. It's hard to explain. When you bite into a mango, there's times when it's just so ripe and tasty that it gets you in your jowls. I don't know if anyone else has ever had that happen. They did such a good job with this that it tastes like a mango. And the guava and the pineapple are only making it taste more like a mango. This is the best mango I've ever had. Spectacular. 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 It gets 2 thumbs up from me. And shoot, I'm looking forward. I'm looking forward to trying this. But I wanted to tell you about the steep time. Okay, I tried it at 1, 2, 3, and 4 weeks. At 4 weeks, I tried it, and I'm like, I'm not that impressed, man. And then I didn't taste it again until the 6th week, which was just a few minutes ago. Maybe a couple hours, whatever. All I know is it's freaking phenomenal. It took 6 weeks for it to steep. That's the only thing I don't like about it. But to have such a spectacular mango, I'm willing. I'm willing. This is Danny Man signing out, you guys. Pick it up. If you're looking for a mango, bammo, wham bammo. That one's it. It doesn't even need anything else to enhance it, because it's already enhanced, apparently. I like that when I get a concentrate that I don't have to add anything else to fill it out, if you will. Anywho, Danny Man signing out, my friends. Peace.